Okay, the last sound of the day, we've got our two consonants, dr and r, dr and r, which together they make dr as in drag, dr as in drag. So, pause the video as normal, think of as many different dr sounds as you can. And unpause, pointy finger ready, dr, a, g, drag, dr, s, dress, dr, op, drop, dr, a, g, drug, dr, a, drum, dr, ip, drip, dr, drill, dr, drink, dr, a, drank, dr, a, drunk, dr, ift, drift. Don't drip the drink on the dress. Don't drip the drink on the dress. Okay, right, we're going to do a quick game of I Spy. So, I'm going to write my words up. You've got to look really carefully, hide your sheets, to see which one I have gotten rid of. Drip. Okay, close your eyes, keep them shut, make sure you're not peeking, keep them shut, open them. Which one am I taking away? It was drop, well done. It was drop, drop, drop. My next one, close your eyes, keep them closed, and open them. Pause the video if you need to try and work out which one I took away. It was drift. Drift, drift, drift. Okay, parents and carers, I leave you to play that game. Enjoy. Well done, Year 3. Keep working super hard. And I can't wait to be able to do phonics in the flesh with you again really soon. Bye.